In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate p-value in Excel. This lesson will walk you through the entire process in a clear and practical way, even if you are new to statistical analysis. The p-value, also known as the probability value, plays a key role in hypothesis testing because it helps determine whether the results of your data analysis are statistically significant. By the end of this video, you will understand how Excel helps you evaluate whether a null hypothesis should be accepted or rejected using a t-test. To begin, open your Excel sheet and carefully enter the values that you want to analyze. Make sure your data is properly organized into two columns, since this method compares two related sets of values. Taking a moment to double-check your numbers at this stage is important because accurate input leads to reliable results. Once your data is ready, go to the Data tab located at the top of Excel. From there, find and select Data Analysis. This feature allows Excel to perform advanced statistical calculations for you. After opening Data Analysis, click on t-test paired to sample for mean, then click OK to continue. A new window will appear where you need to define your input ranges. For variable range 1, select and drag over the first set of values. Then, for variable range 2, select and drag over the second set of values you want to compare. These ranges tell Excel which data sets should be analyzed together. Next, look for the alpha field. Enter the value 0.05, which is commonly used as the standard significance level in hypothesis testing. This value represents the threshold used to decide whether the results are statistically significant. After that, choose the output range. Click on the box and select the cell where you want the results to appear. Picking a clear and empty area of your worksheet will make the output easier to read and interpret. Once everything is set, click OK. Excel will immediately generate the analysis results. In the output, you will see several values, including the p-value. This p-value is what you use to evaluate your hypothesis. If the p-value is less than the alpha level, it indicates strong evidence against the null hypothesis. That is how you calculate and interpret a p-value using Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.